So I got joy, joy down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy down in my soul. If it was up to me.
Welcome back, Blended Squad, to another video where I'm here with the family. Hey, y'all.
Go! I got my ears.
Oh yeah, Tiffany got her ears pierced. As you can see,
No. Izzy just put them in
on her birthday.
No, it isn't.
So today it's kind of crazy because I've been like wanting to do this for a long time. So today I'm gonna be cutting my dad's hair for the first time.
Tiffany, come here. What's the first thing we do? We do one fade, like we did pop.
Turn it up.
Yes, that's a good idea. And what's the next step?
Open it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then
Well, that's open, right? If I open it.
Mm-hmm.
That's open it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then what?
Then stop.
Okay.
So like I have to make it like wait, you want like a lower hair or you?
Mm-hmm. Just like I did poppies.
I'm so scared.
Here we go. Let's go.
Okay, so I just you line. So wait, do I just like go like this? How you do it? That?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna make a line all the way around.
And where I go low?
Mm-hmm. And bring it back up.
Daddy, don't do that! Yeah, Daddy, you did not do that. You just messed up.
Come on. Well, come on, okay. We're gonna put the clippers on there. All right, let's see what we got. How we
But
looking?
I'm not done.
How we looking? How we looking?
Okay. Pretty good.
How you feel right now?
I'm nervous.
Nervous?
Yes, I'm just trying to make this straight line.
London, no ma'am. Yep. So you didn't even cut nothing over here.
Wait. So wait, like do I just
Let me
like
see.
do the whole entire thing?
Look at me. Put it to my head and go up. It needs
Oh.
to be. Yeah, you
so
gotta
like
cut
all
it.
this right here, you want me to cut off?
Yeah. Why would you leave all
this
that
right there
here?
at the bottom? Okay.
Yeah. So see that? You gotta go around and make
Oh,
that
so all of
line.
this should be gone.
Yeah, you gotta cut all that up.
Oh, okay.
You gotta go around, cut
Okay,
all
now I'm
that.
not that nervous.
Yeah, put it to my head and cut.
Okay, now put your head down. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
So you got a line all the way around,
Yeah.
and everything's cut evenly. It's all cut.
Okay, guys, this is how it looks so far. I think it looks pretty good. Supposed to be a straight line, right? Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's looking good.
All right.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You say that.
Okay.
All right. So now go ahead and go get your one guard. So you want to make another line about an inch all the way around. Make another line. Right?
Right here?
You want to go about an inch all the way around.
Right at that point.
No, you want to start at the bottom and go up to that point. It needs to be an inch all the way around. So we'll make another line all the way around. cut that hair. You need to go back and do it again because I can still see that there's a lot of hair there. So in that in between that 1 inch, you gotta really cut it. You're doing like this. You need to put that clipper on the head, go in there good, and go up, and then take it away. Like, don't be afraid to touch the scalp. Like, put it on my head, go up. You gotta cut it. You're like barely like afraid. Don't be afraid. Cut it. You got a guard on
I
there.
don't want you to be involved.
It don't matter. You know, I don't mind. I don't care cutting my hair.
I know, but I don't want you.
You're doing the same thing. Let me see. Let me show you something. Get the clip. Put your hands on the clipper. I want you to feel what I'm doing. Feel it? See how hard I'm pressing?
Yeah.
Because if I'm not pressing that hard, then I'm not cutting the hair. See it?
Yeah.
See how that makes a difference? If you don't cut, you ain't gonna cut no hair. You gotta go ahead and cut it. There you go, just like that, all the way to that second line. Perfect. Mm-hmm. There you go, take it all the way up to that line. Don't be afraid. Now the back of the head is typically more difficult to cut. So you gotta keep hitting it until it's even, you know, back there.
Okay.
Open up keep the one on the table, so we're still using it. Open up the blades all the way. Now you're getting ready to rake. So let me show you what that means.
I'm gonna get two right there?
Nope. So now what you're gonna do is, see where that line is?
Yeah.
Instead of laying the clippers flat, you're gonna hold it like this and you're gonna rake it. And you're just gonna rake that line out all the way around. You don't wanna go all the way up to the second line. You just wanna stay at the bottom line. You wanna rake it, okay? It's really important that you stay right at the bottom line, okay? There you go.
There we go. So I take this off. And I'll
Open it all the way up, and you're gonna rake it. Stay right at that bottom.
wait, so when you open it,
Stay at the bottom line and rake. You're just gonna pick that line out. At the bottom line.
so I'll put it right there.
Wherever that bottom line is, you wanna pick that out.
I'm trying to see it.
So start on the side and go all the way around. Come back on this left side a little bit. So after you do it, you need to brush it, so see if you still see the line.
What's that?
The brush. Feeling this good?
Yeah.
And now get that 2 guard. Close it all the way up. You're not gonna cut nothing like that. Put that blade on there. You're not picking this one. You're cutting this one. Go up, right there. Go up, right there. Doing like this, you ain't gonna cut nothing. Don't be afraid to put the blade in there and cut it. Feel it? Feel how hard I'm going in there? If you don't put it in there, it's not gonna cut anything. There you go. That's perfect. There you go. Remember how I pull the skin? You gotta let the clippers flat, because that's where the blade is. There you go. Go back and do it again. That second line with that 2 guard, sometimes you have to hit it like 2 or 3 times. Because that's a bigger blade, a bigger guard, you don't really cut as much. What you need to cut, you need to go ahead and get in the back. You really need to focus on getting good 2 in. true. Take the one guard, put it back on there, open it up. Open it. And that's closed. Open it. Okay. And then rake it. Rake that line out.
So
Don't go to the second line. Rake the bottom line out.
the very bottom?
Or close it to knock out the very bottom. Close it. Now rake the very bottom. Always have your brush in your hand, because you got to be brushing right after you hit it to see if it's okay to move on. So open up the blade. Keep the one guard on there. Open it all the way up, and then yep, just like that. And then rake the second line out.
To the
Yeah, rake that second one. It's best to start on the side. Right here in the front, and rake that. See how that's bulky?
Yeah.
So you got your clippers laying down. You gotta rake it. That line out.
Just set it down?
You gotta pick it out. So now whenever you see that, the blades ain't hitting it at all. You gotta come in and hit it like this. Lay it flat, hit it. Because what you're doing like this, only the plastic is touching it, nothing's cutting it. Do that all the way around, and then you come back with the one all the way open and knock out that bottom line. You don't want to go too high with that, you just want to get that line out. Stand in front of me. And then just go straight across.
Want to brush it quick? So I guess I wouldn't be surprised that I made an incident. So yeah, here's what his hair looks like. Yeah, here's the final review of my dad's hair.
Ooh, good job, Isabella. After the cut,
We have to show before and after. Which I didn't record before, but I mean, you can kind of see before. There we go.
thank you, Bam.
You're welcome, Father.
I give you an A on your first haircut. That's good.
Hey, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, y'all. Hit it. Please share. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.
So I got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. If it was up to me,